Hello guys, welcome back to my another video. Today we are going to review a vintage car of Fiat which was known as Premier 138D. This Premier 138D is the diesel version of Premier 118NE. In the early 1980s, at the time when Maruti Suzuki began, Premium Automobile approached Fiat to buy the body and the technology of Fiat 124. The Fiat 124 was converted to new looks and they also fitted Nissan engine and was launched as 118NE. They also launched the diesel version as 138D. The both cars was very successful in Indian market. The 118NE is coming with 1.2 liter petrol engine and the 138D is coming with 1.3 liter diesel engine. This car has coil spring suspension which is very unique to travel long distances. The both petrol and the diesel version came with 4-speed gearbox. Both petrol and the diesel version had 15 km per liter average mileage. Hope you guys enjoy this video. We'll come back with more videos, and if you like this video, please hit the like button and please do subscribe.